All right, guys, so we're going to set up a portfolio on Coinmarketcap where you can track all of your earnings based on the tokens. Now, the only thing is it needs to be listed on Coinmarketcap for it to be added to your portfolio. So some of them you won't be able to add right away. So let's go to portfolio here. So as you can see, it says create portfolio. So underneath here, you can create one, but I have one already here. You guys can see some of the different ones. So you actually get to input it. You could see your holdings, average buy price, profit loss, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Right. But let's go ahead and click on create portfolio. I'm gonna put test. You can name it whatever. So test portfolio. All right. So let's go through this. Add new. So you need to add new coins. So let's say I got some Bitcoin. Let's say I bought 0.1, but I actually bought it back in, let's say, December 2020. Okay, and you could also put the time of when you bought it. Let's say we bought it at 12 o'clock p.m. 12 p.m. Boom. All right, so it automatically comes up with how much it was price per coin, which is pretty convenient. You can put in the fee if you want, and then you can also put notes. You can also do buy, sell, transfer. So you can add transaction there, right? So now it's on your portfolio, and then we can go ahead and add new. Let's say we got some Ethereum. Let's say we got this back in June. All right, June, and we got into it. I don't know, 2,200. Go change here. So it tells you the price of the coin. How much did we buy? Quarter, right? So we spent 689. That's how much we got it for. And then you can see here now it's showing you your profits, losses, right? You can click into here and let's say you buy more. So you can actually add a transaction. Let's say we bought 0.1 more in July. All right. So we go to July. Boom. Change date and time. All right, add transaction. So now we have this. All right, we can go back. So now we have some Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's say we bought some Solana, and let's say we bought 100 of it, and we bought this back in early 2020, which I wish I did. February 2020. Right. Oh, actually, 2019. Sorry. All right, 2019. Let me add new Solana, and we're gonna go to February 2019. All right, for some reason it's not updating, but I know for a fact back then it was really low. It was like $2 or something. So let's say we bought 100 of them. We spent 200. Boom. As you can see here, we would have made $24,000 by spending 200. So we could always add, and let's say we went to sell, right? We sold 15 coins, and we did it last month, October. Let's say October 4th. All right. So then you can actually see here that we sold this. So it's subtracting it for the total amount. So now we have 85 sold instead of 100, and it reflects it as well. Right, so that's pretty much how you set it up. It would just be based on the token that you guys have. You add the quantity, the time you bought it, the day you bought it, and this is an easy way to manage your portfolio. You can have several portfolios here. You can go to manage portfolios, change these, edit, remove them, all that good stuff.